In today's video, we are going to show you how to download the EXNESS Go app. Let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Once inside the store, go to the search bar and type in EXNESS. Click the search button. Once you found it, tap the install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. This usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. At this point, you want to make sure that you are not using any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. Once it's done, all I have to do is click the open button. I want you to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet and this is your first time here in EXNESS, this is a golden opportunity for you to create your account. You can use your Google account or your personal or maybe your business email and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, depending on your region and account type, EXNESS may require identity verification before you can access all the trading features and follow the prompt within the app to upload any required documents and complete the verification process. And basically, that's how to download and install the EXNESS Go app on your mobile device. The process is super quick and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.